struggling to create exciting titles headlines for your content? Don't worry, in this video, we will look into 26 tips for creating interesting titles for an essay. Wondering why essay titles are so important? Here are 5 top reasons why titles of essays are crucial for any student. Looking for some tips to write appealing titles for your essay? In this video, we shall look into the top 13 tips for creating an interesting essay headline. Your essay title should be capable enough to fluently or coherently present your essay topic or theme. The title is the first thing a reader looks at when reading the essay. So, make it the best by sharing a positive vibe. The essay title should be clear that even any student can understand and convinced that any reader would get your point of view. This is a professional tip here, stating that if you have a topic, then theme it around do's and don'ts to add a pinch of perfection. Emotional connection is a major contributor to any writing. So, add the right connection to your essay title and watch how the magic works. Even though it's a fact, it need not be boring. Make the truth more interesting to readers through creative essay titles. Readers stay hooked to only what seems attractive and engaging. So, no doubt your essay title must be like one too. Today's audience is up to date, so does your title should be. So keep yourself updated and try the latest trends in your titles to make them catchy. Based on your theme, you can go for something inspirational to boost your readers with extra motivation and make your titles exciting. The most important thing here is you need to be satisfied with your title. If you are, the readers are just like you, they will be too. Another important tip here is usually, students miss out on a key argument in the struggle to get hands on a creative title, which is completely incorrect. The title of the essay should be creative and interesting. But, it need not be confusing and unclear. Thus, go for sensible phrases that are clear and to the point. Make sure the essay title is meticulous, precise, and detailed. In short, it should be detailed enough to convey clear meaning but should be precise to not take too long to figure out what it is about. This is the first part of the video on creating impressive titles for the essay. Check out our channel for the video with the second part.